For today's project, we'll be using only 4 colors: yellow, orange, red and black. We'll start with a large brush and yellow paint. First step is to paint a thick yellow line on the bottom of our artwork. Now we can add couple more lines above the first one to cover approximately 1/3 of the artwork. For the next step, we'll be using orange paint to add couple more lines above the yellow part. Next, we'll blend orange and yellow parts. We'll blend 2 colors by pressing the brush from one side to another. Try to stay on the border of 2 colors. You can use a little bit of water to speed up the process. We'll keep blending until we see a smooth transition. Next, after wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and cover the rest of the artwork. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in orange paint and blend red and orange. For the next step, we'll switch to a small brush and black paint. We'll create a circle on the left side of the artwork. Next, we'll paint an oval to the right side of the circle. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush to fill in both shapes. After switching back to a small brush, we'll add an outline of the ear. We'll go ahead and paint it in. Next, we'll paint an outline for the front leg with a slight tilt to the left side. Now we can paint it in. We'll paint another front leg next to it with a slight tilt to the right side. Now let's repeat the same steps in the back. Next, we'll paint a trunk on the left side of the head. Now it's time to paint a tail on the right side of the body. To paint a baby elephant, we're gonna repeat the same steps we did before, but this time on a smaller scale. We'll start by painting a round head. After creating an outline, you can paint it in. To paint body, we'll create an outline of an oval. When you're ready, you can paint it in. For the next step, we'll create an outline of an ear and then we'll paint it in. Next, we'll paint 2 legs in front and 2 in the back. Next, we'll paint a trunk that will be holding a large elephant's tail. Now let's paint a little tail on the right side. Next, we'll start painting a tree on the right side of our artwork. First step is to paint trunk of the tree. We'll paint a tree trunk wider on the bottom and thinner at the top. You can switch to a medium-sized brush to paint in space between outlines. With medium-sized brush, we'll cover the bottom part of the artwork with black paint. Next, we'll switch to a small brush. Now we'll add smaller branches on both sides of the trunk. We'll keep adding little branches, leaving some space on the top of the artwork. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush to paint leaves on top of the branches. You can slightly tap your brush on the artwork to leave small brush strokes. We are not covering branches, but rather adding leaves on top. For the next step, you can use small brush or turn your medium-sized brush sideways to create thin strokes for grass. We'll switch to a small brush to paint birds. You can start by creating a little dot and then painting a stroke on each side. Let's repeat these steps couple more times. Our final step is to use small brush for fine details. You can add more strokes to grass or leaves. Here I'm adding second layer of black paint with medium-sized brush. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to see more.